I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble unlocking your store on the Shopify dashboard, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Start by logging into your Shopify account with your email and password. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage your store settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Settings option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to access various store settings. Step 3. Select Plan and Permissions. In the Settings menu, find and click on Plan and Permissions. This section allows you to manage your store subscription plan and permissions. Step 4. Review your current plan. Check your current plan details to ensure that your store is on a plan that allows unlocking. If you're on a trial plan, you may need to upgrade. Step 5. Unlock your store. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you are on a free trial, you may need to enter payment information before unlocking. Good luck, and I hope your store is up and running in no time.